You've never cleaned your shower this thoroughly before. This trick will help you clean your bathroom, especially the shower, quickly and efficiently. I guarantee it'll look like new. Grab a few cleaning cloths and cut them into thinner strips using scissors. Now, prepare a bowl. Pour in some vinegar. It has disinfecting and cleaning properties, doesn't leave streaks, and kills bacteria. Add enough to fully soak all the cloth pieces. Let them sit in the vinegar for a few minutes to absorb it well. Take the soaked cloths to the bathroom, specifically to the shower. Step inside and place the cloths all around, squeezing out the vinegar as you go. This will help break down limescale and dirt. Leave them on for a few minutes to boost their cleaning power. The best part? You can wash and reuse the cloths after every cleaning. Your bathroom will shine like never before. You'll quickly notice the surfaces becoming spotless and shiny. In no time, they'll look brand new. This is how you remove all dirt from your shower cabin. This powder works like magic dust to clean limescale and buildup. Don't use chemical cleaners when homemade methods work best. First, spread regular baking soda over the glass doors. Then take a lemon cut in half. Add some extra baking soda onto the lemon. Rub the glass with the lemon where there is dirt and buildup. Lemon dissolves limescale. Baking soda removes dirt and acts as a gentle abrasive. It will gently break down and remove the buildup. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wipe the glass with a cloth soaked in warm water. Remove part of the mixture with the cloth. To leave the glass sparkling clean, use a simple dustpan. Thanks to its rubber edge, it works like a squeegee. Just wipe away the excess, and your glass cabin will be cleaner than ever before. It removes 83% of mold and fungus types from grout. This natural cleaning solution is cheap and effective. The silicone will look like new. Squeeze the juice from 2 lemons. They contain natural citric acid, which acts as a mild antifungal and antibacterial agent. It can inhibit mold growth. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the juice and mix well. Pour the entire mixture into a spray bottle. The most important part is how you use the mixture. Spray it on the grout and silicone where mold has appeared. Then, do not wipe it off. Cover it with plastic wrap. This will strengthen and speed up the effect. After 10 minutes, remove the plastic wrap and wipe with a sponge. The salt will help mechanically remove the mold. This is a completely natural and safe method for cleaning the shower. I repeat this process every 2 weeks. Pour half a cup into the shower head, and all the built-up dirt will flow out. Limescale on the shower head is a problem that appears in most homes. It not only looks unsightly, but also reduces the water flow, making showers less comfortable. Hard water leaves a white deposit that builds up both outside and inside the shower head. You don't need to reach for expensive cleaners. Home remedies are effective, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. If you notice the water stream getting weaker, unscrew the shower head and pour about half a cup of vinegar inside. Close it and leave it for a few hours. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale, disinfect, and remove bacteria. Then run a strong stream of water to restore full flow. If you don't want to remove the shower head, prepare a plastic bag with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar. Submerge the shower head and tie it securely. After a few hours, simply scrub the surface clean. Regular cleaning will keep your shower head in great condition and make showers enjoyable again. Mix dish soap with toothpaste and pour it into the toilet. You'll get rid of dirt and unpleasant odor. It's a trick to remove exceptionally unpleasant stains in the bathroom. With this homemade method, you'll eliminate all the mess and odor. Sometimes various food remnants are poured into the toilet, which cannot be thrown into the trash bag. Sometimes the toilet gets dirty when you have food poisoning. It doesn't look good then. The smell can also be unpleasant. That's when homemade liquid comes to the rescue. It will clean the toilet, and above all, leave a pleasant smell immediately. You can also clean the sink or a dirty shower with it. They will be clean, shiny, and will smell nice. Pour a small cup of floor cleaner into the dish. Most of these liquids can also be used for cleaning other surfaces. Add a cup of baking soda to it. Baking soda cleans and absorbs bad odors. Pour a cup of dishwashing liquid. It removes many stains, including greasy ones. It foams perfectly. Also, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It disinfects and smells intensely and pleasantly. Finally, pour a cup of plain water. Mix everything together. You can clean the bathroom with this liquid. Just pour it into the toilet and clean it as usual. It will remove even greasy dirt. The unpleasant smell will disappear immediately. After flushing with water, it will be like new. You can also use this liquid to clean an exceptionally dirty sink. The stains will disappear, and it will be shiny, white, and fragrant. You can also clean tiles and grout under the shower in the same way. There is always the most dirt in the corner by the drain. You will easily remove it. With this amount of liquid, you can clean the entire bathroom. Do you leave your window blind halfway down? You're making a big mistake. A half-lowered exterior blind in summer can actually be dangerous. Most people have no idea. Window and blind manufacturers don't mention this. During sunny months, blinds need to be used the right way. It's important that the blind is either fully open or fully closed. If you leave it halfway, like it is now, you might end up needing to replace your window pane in the summer. Why? When the sun shines directly on the glass, there's a huge temperature difference between the top and bottom parts of the pane. Unfortunately, that causes problems. The glass can become damaged and crack. It's just basic physics. And unfortunately, those kinds of cracks aren't covered by any warranty. No one will reimburse you for the cost of replacing the glass if the damage is caused by a half-lowered blind. So don't make this mistake again, and make sure to use your blinds correctly during the summer. Stick it onto your bathroom tiles. You'll never see limescale on them again, and the mold in the grout, gone. All without using harsh chemicals. This trick completely changed my bathroom cleaning routine. All you need to do is spray the tiles. The rest is done by a special kind of paper. Just press it onto the tiles and leave it for a few minutes. To prepare it, you only need a few ingredients that you definitely have at home. You'll never waste money on expensive cleaners again. Grab a spray bottle. Take one of these little packets. It's citric acid. Pour the entire packet of citric acid into the bottle. Add water. Close the bottle and give it a good shake. The citric acid needs to dissolve completely. Spray the mixture generously all over the tiles where the problem is. Stick toilet paper onto the tiles. On the wall by the shower or lower down above the shower tray. Because you sprayed the tiles first, the paper will stick easily. For even better results, spray the paper too. Make sure it's fully soaked. After 20 to 30 minutes, peel the paper off the tiles. It will come off effortlessly. Rinse the tiles thoroughly. Just look at the result. They shine beautifully. With no trace of limescale, citric acid dissolves it perfectly. And on top of that, it smells fresh.